The doctor came in one day, and Bob said to the doctor, "Tell me the truth, doctor. I want you to tell me the living truth. Am I going to make it?" And the doctor looked at him and said, "No, you're not going to make it, you know, Bob." And him said, Bob even asked him and said, "How many more days I have to live?" And the doctor must have tell him like 3 or 4 days. And him said, Bob just started to tell everybody to pack up everything. I'm going back to Jamaica.
The Marley family had formed a protective ring around the dying man that had shut them out.
Like his family and other people that moved around him there, they didn't want Carlton Barrett or FamilyMan Barrett to be there. Because after a while I get to understand that all the people who was up there, they all went up there to get money. Bob would held on his head like this in tears. Was crying to see me, and they don't want me to get close.
In this day and age, you have to be legally, accounted for. But we were too busy like having a good time and playing the music and thinking that everything was going to be great. Not everyone thinks like Bob. So we had to live with that afterwards. So here we are, still celebrating the music of Bob Marley and the Wailers and trying to, keep going on.